everyone, welcome to our channel. I am Bimo from How to Geek. In today's guide video, I am going to show you what you can do when you try to browse for a music on Instagram story and it says no results found. So there is actually a really simple fix in order to fix that. So you want to make sure to actually watch this video till the end because I'm going to show you how you can do that. And without any further ado, let us jump right to our video. So let's just assume that I'm actually trying to upload a story right over here and that I want to add a music. I'm going to simply tap on the music button, and what happens is usually you are searching for a song and it says no music found and no any type of results. Depending on those songs, you can also tap on the browse button right over here. Now when you face an error from Instagram which says there are actually no any music on which you have typed in, it most likely means that Instagram does not have that song or that particular music in their library. The first thing you should understand is that Instagram is simply a social media and not a music application. Maybe they don't have the license to all of those songs and you are most likely searching for a song which doesn't actually exist in the library of the Instagram songs. They don't have every song and their selection is actually very limited. But I'm going to show you one simple fix so that you can actually remove all of the limitations on your Instagram story or your Instagram app. So for that, what we want to do is we want to simply go back and then go back to our home screen. Once we do that, at the bottom of the screen, you want to simply tap on your profile button. So once you go to your profile section, you can see this is how the profile page of our application looks like. So what we want to do is at the top, we want to simply tap on our edit profile button. And here at the bottom of the screen, you can see the button called switch. You want to simply tap on switch and make sure you're actually selecting the personal account option. For example, if I switch to my business account, it is usually going to limit so many features from my business account, usually including all of the Instagram musics as well. So what we want to do is we want to simply go ahead and go back to our personal account. That way Instagram is going to remove your limitations on the Instagram app, and that also includes the music application. So you want to make sure that you're actually on your personal account settings because that is usually where you don't have any type of limitations and how you can post and so on as the business account does have. Once you do that, you can go ahead and try back to upload the story which you're trying and then search for a song. If it doesn't, then you want to simply understand that Instagram does not have that song in their music library, and the only way to do that is through third-party measures, which we will have to discuss in our next video. So we hope this guide video was really helpful to you, and if it did help you, then do make sure to leave a like and subscribe. If you have any more questions or queries regarding this, then make sure to leave them down in the comment section. As always, thank you so much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.